Caring for your face is an essential part of maintaining healthy and radiant skin, but you don't always need expensive products or harsh chemicals to achieve that fresh feeling. In fact, nature provides plenty of gentle, effective ways to cleanse your skin. By adopting a natural skincare routine tailored to your needs, you support your skin's health and glow, while being mindful of what you use and how it impacts both you and the environment. Here's how to clean your face naturally, step by step. Start by preparing your hands and the area you'll use. Before you touch your face, thoroughly wash your hands to avoid transferring oil or dirt. Gather soft, clean towels and fill a bowl with lukewarm water. Hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils, so always aim for a temperature that's comfortable and gentle. The foundation of a natural facial cleanse is choosing the right cleanser. Oatmeal, honey, yogurt, and oils like coconut or olive oil are all excellent natural options. For normal to combination skin, raw honey is a gentle antibacterial cleanser. Simply apply a teaspoon of raw honey to damp skin, massaging in gentle circular motions. Honey helps to cleanse pores, nourish the skin, and balance oil production while offering a mild, soothing effect. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, a gentle oatmeal scrub works wonders. Take a spoonful of finely ground oats and mix it with water to create a paste. Oats have natural saponins that gently cleanse and calm inflammation without overdrying your skin. Lightly massage the mixture onto damp skin, focusing on areas prone to oiliness and congestion. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. If you have dry or sensitive skin, natural oils like coconut or sweet almond oil are gentle choices. Pour a few drops into your palm, rub your hands together, and smooth the oil over your face. Oil cleansing works by drawing out impurities from within your pores, dissolving excess sebum and debris while leaving the skin's moisture barrier intact. After massaging the oil in for a minute or two, lay a warm, damp washcloth over your face and let the steam open your pores. Gently wipe the oil away, repeating with a clean section of the cloth as needed. After cleansing, it's important to tone your skin. Witch hazel and rosewater are two natural options. Witch hazel can help tighten pores, reduce inflammation, and soothe irritation, while rosewater refreshes and hydrates. Pour a small amount of your chosen toner onto a cotton pad and sweep it gently across your face, concentrating on your T-zone and areas prone to enlarged pores. Follow with a mild moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and protected. Aloe vera gel is excellent for all skin types, offering lightweight moisture and a cooling sensation. For extra nourishment, try a few drops of jojoba oil or rosehip seed oil, which absorb easily and mirror your skin's natural oils, providing moisture without clogging pores. Finally, never underestimate the importance of sun protection, even when using a natural skincare routine. If you spend time outdoors, be sure to choose a mineral-based sunscreen with ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide to protect your skin from UV damage. Sticking to a regular routine, morning and evening, makes a big difference. Remember, gentle is key. Avoid vigorous scrubbing or exfoliating more than twice a week, as over-cleansing can irritate and dry out even the healthiest skin. Taking a natural approach to facial care doesn't just enhance your skin, it fosters a mindful, nurturing self-care ritual. By understanding your skin's unique needs and using readily available, gentle ingredients, you can achieve a clean, radiant complexion the natural way, every day.